Hi guys. Hey, wanted to do a quick video on the final of my Ford Tri-Motor kit from Ollie's. Um, got her all done. Uh, Made a mistake. I had it all painted silver and put the decals on, and I clear coated it, and it got kind of a weird sheen to it, I guess you'd say. Which actually, like Bob Ross would say, it's kind of a happy little accident because it kind of makes it look a little more weathered. Um, but yeah, so the kit is all stock except for, I don't understand why they did this, but the exhaust on the front, come on, focus, is included, but they did not put exhaust on the other two engines. So it just did not look right not having that exhaust ring, around the other two engines when it came to having the one on the front. So what I did, I just took some solder and wrapped it around that and cut it where it's kind of got a little bit of a flare. If you look at pictures of a real one, it kind of flares down and out a little bit. So got that done. The engine detail, you know, got the push rods and stuff painted and that. But yeah, when I cleared it, it kind of changed the sheen of it a little bit and kind of screwed up the windows because I had the decal on there. It kind of clouded the side windows, but oh well. It's what it is. Kind of dirtied up the bottom of the engine nancels just because there's three radial engines there, and radial engines tend to basically leak all over. So, you have a little bit residual, coming down and back. So, but anyway, that's it. So now it is going to get hung up. I got the thread for it and gonna stick her up on the ceiling. Ooh, boy. That's the best place for model airplanes. That way they don't get broke. Stick them up in the ceiling. You never have to mess with them again. So, but anyway, guys, thanks for watching. If you're new to my channel, welcome. Glad you found it. And stay tuned for more fun stuff to come. Like I said, I'm glad I got this one done finally and move on to other cool stuff. So, take care, guys. Thanks. Bye-bye.